Hey, good Tuesday morning to you. It's almost lunchtime here. This is Brian Foxworth, now with Geneva Financial. I want to let you guys know about something I learned that's new today. And I'm going to maybe tell you something that I already knew that you may not have known yourself. If you're currently in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, the one you pay back, not Chapter 7, but Chapter 13, and you've been in that Chapter 13 bankruptcy for at least 12 months or more, you paid the Chapter 13 bankruptcy on time, meaning no 30-day lates, and you have paid all your other credit, including your rent, on time since you filed. Very important. Since you filed the bankruptcy, everything has to be on time. There are no 30-day, 60-day, 90-day late payments or more. If it's been 20-day late payments, that's okay, as long as it hasn't been 30-day late payments. It's been 12 months since you filed, everything's been paid on time, then FHA, if your credit score is where you need to be, we'll talk about that a little more later when you call, FHA will allow you to do a purchase loan. Now, if you're currently still in the Chapter 13 bankruptcy, the Chapter 13 trustee in the state of South Carolina has to give you permission to incur debt. Now, but if you're renting, oh, that's cool. I'm at the airport, just saw a huge jet just fly over me. That's awesome. Sorry about that. I love airplanes. If your rent payment is usually going to be more than your mortgage payment, because for rent you're paying the landlord's taxes and insurance and all that kind of good stuff, so it's going to be a lot more. So I've never had a trustee in 19 years of doing mortgages in South Carolina, never had a bankruptcy Chapter 13 trustee not allow someone to incur debt as long as that mortgage payment was less than the rent payment you're paying. So something to think about. Maybe you're thinking, I can't get a house until I get out of this bankruptcy, everything's not as good as I think it'll be. You may be in a better position than what you think you are to still get a low interest rate loan to help your payments be lower each month while you're in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. So if that's you, give me a call, 803-446-3270, 803-446-3270, or you can apply online at brianfoxworth.com. You can be seeing this on Facebook, so you can spell my name correctly. That's B-R-I-A-N, foxworth.com. That's the thing I already knew. Here's the new thing I didn't know, and I love learning new things. You see by my gray hair, I've learned quite a few things. Hopefully I'm getting a little bit wiser. If you have had late payments on your bankruptcy, but not on anything else, not on your rent, not on your car payment, credit cards, those kind of things, no 30-day late payments on those things, but you have been late on your bankruptcy, and you're just paid it off your bankruptcy if you're discharged, or you're within a couple of months of discharging your bankruptcy. Once you pay off your bankruptcy, we don't have to count those bankruptcy late payments against you, because the FHA doesn't require us to look at the FHA payment history anymore, because your bankruptcy payment history doesn't show up on your credit report. So you're not doing anything bad or illegal. It's just that since it's discharged, we no longer have to count that payment as part of your credit history on your bankruptcy. So even if you've had some late payments on your bankruptcy Chapter 13, but not on your rent or currently your mortgage or credit card, car loans, boat loans, whatever it is, then we could possibly still be able to get a mortgage loan for you. Now, everything is case by case, but it's not a hard and fast no like it is with conventional loans. So if this fits you, and maybe even if you are already owning your current home and you have a high interest rate and you want to refinance for a lower interest rate, the same thing applies. If you're currently in your Chapter 13, everything's been paid on time, then if you're going to make it where it's a lower interest rate and a lower payment, the trustee will usually give us permission to incur that debt, because it's making it better for you and easier to make your payments on time each month. So if that's you and you're in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, again, give me a call, 803 here in South Carolina, 446-3270, 803-446-3270, and I can talk to you about it, pull up your information over the phone and be able to talk to you about it based that situation. Or if you'd rather apply online, again, it's Brian Foxworth, BrianFoxworth.com. You can apply online very simply. Hope you guys are having a great Tuesday and enjoy Taco Tuesday. I always love tacos. And try to get some of mine myself. And enjoy this hot weather. Famously hot is getting to be a ridiculous slogan because it's way too true here for the Midlands of South Carolina. Y'all have a great day. Bye.